Hello listeners and viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk about wind instruments. Now, wind instruments are instruments that are played by blowing. These wind instruments vary in size, in shape, in the number of pitch holes, vary in the length of the instruments, and also vary in the location of the blowing hole. Wind instruments are made from bamboo, animal horns, tubes carved from wood, hollow reeds, and many other materials we can find in our environment. The skills of playing these wind instruments depends on a number of factors, including the position of the blowing hole, how the instrument is held, the position of the sound hole, and the position of the pitch holes. So in grade 5, we are majorly talking about the Kenyan indigenous wind instruments. Now, the word indigenous means occurring or originating from a particular place. Now, each Kenyan community have different indigenous wind instruments, and this is what we are going to talk about in this video. These instruments include abu, we have koro, we have chivoti from the Mijikenda community, we have ndere root from Kalenjin community, we have mtururi from the Gikuyu community, we have Nzumari from the Mijikenda community, we have Emborogo from the Kuria community, we have Mbungo, Vilingi, Biringi. These wind instruments are classified into two categories. The first one is the flutes and the horns. Now, these flutes again are categorized into traversally instruments and oblique instruments. Oblique wind instruments, these are instruments which are end blown. They are blown from the end of that instrument. And these instruments include mtururi from the Gikuyu community, aulero from the Teso community. The third instrument is asili or odundu from the Luo community. We have ndere root from the Kalenjin community. So all these are instruments which are oblique instruments. Let's move on to the next category of flutes, and this is transverse. These are wind instruments which are side blown. So what happens with this? The instrument is held horizontally to the mouth. They include chivoti from the Mijikenda communities. The second instrument is ekibiswi from Kuria community. The third one is emborogo from Kuria community, umwere from Kuria community, mulele from Luya community. All these instruments are instruments which are side blown. Let's move on to the next category of wind instrument, and we talk about the horns. Now, the horns, these are instruments which come from the animals. They include 1. Oluika from the Luya community, Lalet from the Kalenjin community, we have Tung or Oporo from the Luo community, we have Koro from the Kikuyu community, we have Kikundit from the Kipsigis community, we have Adet from the Kalenjin community, we have Alur from the Turkana community. Now, these are instruments which in grade 5 we are going to encounter them as we move on with our design. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on that notification button for more of these videos. Bye.